Hi, welcome to my channel, you guys. For today's video I'll be filming a makeup tutorial on the new UrbanDecay Backtalk palette, and I love this palette. This is what it looks like. I'll show you guys here. These are like my perfect colors. I love mauvey, rosy, pinkish colors. I don't like bright pinks, but I love dusty pinks. I love pinks that are very nudie, if you know what I mean. But anyways, I'll be creating a monochromatic look today. Basically, monochromatic means that everything's gonna be very matchy. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by filling in my brows with the NYX micro brow pencil in brunette. There are so many brow products out there, but definitely this one is one of my favorites. It's super affordable. I like how sturdy it is. It's not super soft that it keeps breaking all the time like other brow pencils. So if you guys haven't tried this brow pencil, I will definitely recommend it to you guys. With the NYX HD concealer, I'm going to define my brows and also use it as my eyeshadow base. And I'm going to set the concealer with the HD NYX powder. Moving to the eyeshadows, I'm going to start by applying the color Backtalk into my crease. I'm going to concentrate it on the outer V, but also drag it all the way towards the inner corner. And I'm just gonna blend, and then blend some more. We just want to make sure there is no harsh lines and our eyeshadow is on point. Going back to the NYX HD concealer, I'm going to use it for, of course, cutting my crease and just making my eyelids look bigger than what they are and prepping them for the next eyeshadow, which is this one. It's in the shade Curve, and it's a beautiful shimmery mauvey color that I think will be my go-to for this whole spring and summer because it's just so beautiful. This whole palette is so beautiful. To prep my skin, I'm gonna be using the Laqa face oil, which I've been absolutely loving. It has made my complexion so much better. And of course, a little drop of the Lancome La Base primer because I got huge pores on my nose, so we just want to cover those up. And I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty foundation. So let me tell you guys, this Morphe Kabuki brush is amazing, but I miss my Sonic blend so much. I didn't use it because I didn't charge it, so yeah, it wasn't ready for me, but I missed it. And I'm applying some of the HD concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and a little bit in my forehead. And then I'm blending it with the same Morphe Kabuki brush. For contour, I'm gonna be using the NYX Wonder Stick. I mentioned it to you guys in my last video. I really liked it. The contours part of the stick, it looks very natural. I really like it, and it's very easy to blend, so yep. Of course, we are setting everything with the NYX translucent powder. I'm going to define and smoke out my lower lash line with the eyeshadow in Backtalk, and I'm also grabbing an eye pencil. This one is by UrbanDecay as well. It's called Alkaline and it's a beautiful purple shade, and I'm going to run that on my waterline and just go back and blend everything. And I still haven't gotten a new mascara. Shame on me. I need a new one, so you guys are gonna keep seeing the dirty one until I get a new one. And I'm using my Amazon falsies. I'm using the highlighter that came in the palette, and it's so pretty. You guys can see it right there. It's a beautiful rosy shade and I loved it. I'm also applying some blush so I can look all flushy and red. For lips, I'm using the UrbanDecay lip pencil in peyote and the lip gloss in Backtalk. And oh my god, this lip gloss, it's going to be my lifetime lip gloss. It's so pretty, it smells so yummy. Of course, finishing everything with the all-nighter spray, and ta-da! This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me any comments or suggestions down below, and I'll see you guys until next time. Bye bye.